Kali, Eskrima, Arnis. Whatever the name of this fighting style, one thing is certain. It is proudly a Filipino martial art. Recognized as one of the most effective fighting styles the world over, the roots of Arnis can be traced back to the Filipinos' pre-Spanish ancestors. Our forefathers practiced stick fighting, fighting with bladed weapons, and hand-to-hand techniques as a means to defend life and limb against rival tribes primarily. But it was against foreign invaders where Arnis gained its notoriety. One such account was the epic battle between Datu Lapu-Lapu, a Filipino chieftain, and Ferdinand Magellan, the renowned Spanish conquistador. The European-trained soldiers of Magellan were no match for the skilled Arnis fighters of Lapu-Lapu. Magellan, in fact, lost his life in that epic battle. During the 300 years of Spanish occupation, Arnis practice and the carrying of bladed weapons were outlawed throughout the Philippines. In spite of this, the Filipinos still practiced their martial art, mostly in secret, but sometimes disguised as parts of Moro-Moro plays, wherein battles between Christian crusaders and so-called Muslim infidels were reenacted. The Spaniards were oblivious to the fact that Filipinos were mocking them and were actually demonstrating Arnis out in the open. The advent of the American and Japanese occupations gave cause for the Filipinos to once again bear arms and defend their motherland against foreign invaders. And it was at this time that our style, Lightning Scientific Arnis, was founded by Grandmaster Benjamin Luna Lema in 1937. He and 20 other members established this fighting style with the objective of integrating the different fighting styles of the Filipino martial art, widely known as Arnis. The result of this scientific integration is a systematized fighting style which is lightning fast and lethally effective. Today, many of the original students of Tatang Ben, as he is fondly called by them, have founded their own martial arts groups, their core being Lightning Scientific Arnis. One such group is our very own Warriors Martial Arts Corporation, an organization which aims to promote, teach, propagate, and develop Lightning Scientific Arnis, as taught by founder and chief instructor, Master Romeo Romy Santos. This DVD is a concrete example of our credo to promote Arnis. This is just the beginning. This introductory video will not only give you a glimpse of some of the basic, advanced, and expert Arnis techniques which you will learn, but you will also find out how Warriors Martial Arts came to be from Master Romy himself. Eventually, as you progress through our series of instructional videos, you will see that Arnis is not just stick fighting. It's a holistic martial art which has elements of the baston, espada y daga, tapado, or the 50-inch two-handed stick, which is the training tool for the kampilan, or the long sword used by Lapu-Lapu. You will also learn sikaran, which is kicking, which uses feet, shins, and knees. Panuntukan, which is punching using the fists, palms, forearms, and elbows. And dumog, which is wrestling and grappling. Whether you are already an Arnis practitioner or a martial arts enthusiast who is intrigued by Arnis, this will open your eyes to one of the deadliest, most effective, and definitely the most practical martial arts in the world. Lightning Scientific.
There's a block slashing.